Okay, explain something complicated like to a fifth grader. I'll go first. Okay, when you buy something online with your credit card, it works generally like this. That'll be $10. Sure. As you swipe the card, the seller checks with the bank. Thanks, hold on just a second. Hey bank, does she have $10? Let me check. It's the bank's job to keep a big list, basically, of everything that goes in and out of your account. Yeah, she's got $10. Cool, thanks. Here you go. But then maybe the bank takes a few days to process it, or maybe they charge a fee or something.
Excuse me, I'm running a business here.
Yeah, so you start to wonder, hey, is there any way that we could do this without him in the middle? That's the idea of what a blockchain does. It's as though you got together a huge group of friends and you all said, okay, so we're all gonna use our computers to all keep a big list of everything that goes in and out of all of our accounts. That way, if it works, we shouldn't need anybody in the middle anymore. We can actually do all of this now because we have the internet to help us coordinate, and we have powerful computers that help us keep track of everything and keep everything secure. And if you wanna know how that technology works, that can wait until you get to 6th grade.